Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a hands-on with the latest budget offering from Nokia, the Nokia 3.2. So along with the release of or announcement of the Nokia 9 and Nokia 4.2, Nokia also announced a budget offering called Nokia 3.2. It's priced lower than the Nokia 4.2 and comes with quite decent specification for this price segment. So it has a large 6.3 inches HD plus resolution display. It also has a water drop notch, which is quite good looking display, and the display quality as such looks quite okay for the price segment it is being offered. It is an HD plus resolution display and a larger size, that is 6.3 inches in size, and this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 quad-core chipset, and it comes in two variants, the 2GB RAM and 3GB RAM variant. You can also see the SIM trays on the left side along with the Google Home button. The right side houses the power key and the volume rocker buttons, and the bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. And if you look at the back panel, it has a 13 megapixel camera, and this has a single camera, and there's also an LED flash included. Now the back panel is plastic material. You can see that it's a glossy finish, and as a result you can see a lot of fingerprint getting attracted to the back panel. Now another important thing to note that there is a fingerprint scanner on the 3GB RAM variant, while the 2GB RAM variant does not have a fingerprint scanner included. So that's one difference between the two variants of the Nokia 3.2. Now looking at the other aspects, the device comes with a large capacity 4000 mAh battery, which should be good enough for more than a day of battery life, and if you're a traveler this should be good enough capacity. Now looking at the software, so the Nokia 3.2 comes with the Android One platform. That means it has the latest version of Android, and also this device will be getting updates on a timely manner. So you can see that the software isn't different from any Nokia smartphone we have seen in the past. It has a stock like UI, and this does come with Android Pie out of the box. So that's the software aspect of the Nokia 3.2. Now other aspects include there is a 13 megapixel camera, and it can take some decent photos, and this is a device which is priced below the 4.2, and the 4.2 was around $169, but here the 3.2 is priced at $139. So as of now we don't know when this device is coming to India. We are hoping this device to come to India in the coming months. So that was a hands-on with the Nokia 3.2, the budget offering from Nokia, which is announced along with the Nokia 4.2 and the Nokia 9. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is my signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.